The second salary program by National Bonds is designed to help UAE residents create an additional income stream and achieve financial stability. Now let's take a look at the key details. There are typically two phases. First phase is saving phase and then comes income phase. In saving phase, you contribute a fixed monthly amount, which is minimum 1000 dirham over a period of your choice. Typically, it ranges between 3 to 10 years. Then comes the income phase. Once the saving phase ends, you receive monthly payouts that include both the base investment and accumulated profit. The payout duration corresponds to your chosen plan, and typically it's the same length as the saving phase. Let's take an example. If you save 5000 dirham per month for 10 years, you can expect a monthly income of 7,500 dirhams for the next 10 years. Now let's say you save 5,000 dirhams per month for 5 years. It could result in a 10,020 dirhams monthly payouts for 3 years. If we talk about the benefits of second salary program by National Bonds, this program offers flexibility in selecting the savings and income phases, as you can choose the amount and the duration for which you want to save. Second important benefit of this program is you can gain access to National Bonds reward program, which amounts to 35 million dirhams. And the participants who hold second salary program gets high chances of winning based on the saving term. The second salary program is ideal for individuals seeking a systematic investment plan, and as it is a very effective way to generate supplementary income and secure financial future. If we talk about how to start investing and using this second salary product by National Bonds, it's simple. You just need to download the National Bonds app. It is available in Google Play and App Store. What is relevant to you? You just need to download and install the app. Then you need to sign up for an account, enter your personal details like name, email, phone number, and Emirates ID or passport details. Then you will need to verify your identity. For that, you would be required to upload an Emirates ID or passport for verification. In some cases, they might ask you for a visa or a proof of residence. Keep your documents ready when you are downloading and activating your account. The next step is that you have to choose the product which you want to invest in. There are multiple products available like term sukuk, second salary, my plan, payout. Multiple options are available. So in today's video, we are talking about second salary. So we'll choose the second salary option, and then you have to decide your investment amount and tenure based on the product's requirement. In second salary, the minimum amount is 1000 dirhams. Then you have to link your bank account or credit card. Multiple options are available. You can either pay by credit card or direct bank transfer, or you can use any third-party payment app. Then you transfer the required minimum deposit to activate your account. At the end, review your details and confirm the account setup. Once you have completed all the basic requirements, you can monitor and manage your savings through the app. It's as simple as you use any other app. For detailed assistance, the app also provides customer service chat or hotline options. They also have a website. For more information, you can visit National Bonds official website or customer service center. If this information was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos on personal finance. Take care. See you in another video.